Three things you must do before you start investing in real estate. Number one, know your why and set your goals. Before you scroll through listings or walk into a house, you need to be crystal clear on why you're doing this. Are you trying to earn extra income? Are you hoping to leave your job? Do you want to build long-term wealth for your family that you can leave down for generation to generation? Your why is your internal GPS. It keeps you steady when things get hard because they will, and it helps you choose the right path. Flipping, rentals, the BRRRR method, multifamily. When your why is strong, your path becomes very simple. If you don't know where you're going, you won't know what deals to chase. Next, you need a clear plan. Without one, you're going to feel overwhelmed and probably end up second guessing yourself. So start by choosing your first income strategy. And then what you want to do is build your buy box. Your buy box is the list of properties that tells you exactly what you will buy and what you won't buy. Things such as price point, zip codes, bedroom and bath count, square footage, condition of the property. Those are things that you really want to dial in on. Once you have this, something very powerful happens. Your brain starts scanning for deals that fit your buy box. You stop wasting time. You see opportunities faster. You feel more in control. And you train your brain what to look for the deals, the right deals, and they start finding you. When you know exactly what you're looking for, deals show up everywhere. It's kind of like when you want to buy, let's say, a red SUV, and then you start seeing them everywhere. Number three, you want to get your financing set. You don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to know how you're going to fund your first deal before you find it. This is what separates people from feeling stuck from people who actually start taking action. And you have plenty of options for financing. You can do traditional loans, DSCR loans, hard money, private money, or use creative financing strategies like sub-2 or seller finance. When you already know how you'll pay, you move with confidence. You make offers faster. You beat buyers who hesitate. Speed wins in real estate, and financing is what gives you speed. If you're ready to fund a deal, you'll never miss out on a good one. If you want to speed up your first deal, download my free resources below.